Here I am checking into Impression by Secrets Isla Mujeres. This is an island off the coast of Cancun, Mexico, and it's pretty remarkable, the room. You can see it's a wonderful bag and hats they've given us for check-in. Every room has a luxury iPad, so you can control and speak to your butler that way. Beautiful decor, and I want to show you this. General manager left me a note, and if you know me, I love animals and wildlife and beautiful blue whales there. Harman Kardon speaker, and I want to highlight this resort is completely single-use plastic free, so all the water is glass bottles, a little complimentary tequila because of course we're in Mexico. You can see the nice local products, glass bottles again, which is really great. And also Impression has a wine fridge, so that's a nice amenity to be stocked in your room. Taking a look, they've got a little welcome treat, thank you for that. 80% of the rooms have private hot tubs, and so going out onto my private balcony, you can see I've got this wonderful shady seating area, private hot tub with jets, and looking back to the mainland in Cancun. They have a private jetty where the catamaran picks you up from the mainland in the distance, brings you here, and it's really great. You can see the resort, nice pool bar there. Really a fabulous destination for a group because it's a boutique resort, only 125 rooms. Perhaps you even want to do a resort buyout. You can have the whole space to yourself. And Isla Mujeres is a wonderful island because you do have this sort of luxurious whisked away feeling, but you're actually not too far from home if you live in North America. And you'll see right here, I'm going to enter our bathroom, and I'll lift this up so you can see this is your wonderful shower. And it's got a peekaboo privacy screen, so as that raises, I'll show you. This huge shower, you can get right inside. You can see there's 2 different shower heads, wonderful bench, beautiful bath products, bergamot scented. And there the screen, the peekaboo screen is opening up. So if you want some privacy, you have the option. If you prefer to have it open, you can look through to your beautiful room. Complimentary slippers. Again, this glass water. There you have the water closet. And in here is the secrets box and the safe. So this is a great place where you can get your room service delivered or your laundry delivered. Anything you need to leave for your butler to take away, you can do that without opening your door, which is complete privacy. And 2 things in this closet I'll share with you as well. Some nice comfortable robes for the duration of your stay, and complimentary yoga mat for while you're here, because it's wonderful to be able to have total relaxation while also staying fit and active in the ways you prefer. And yoga is, of course, one of the great things they offer on their daily planned activities. So great for groups, great for wellness, sustainability minded. It's a wonderful resort here at Secrets Impression Isla Mujeres. And I recommend you reach out today to contact us if you'd like to book a stay.